Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set the correct volume levels for recording in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and you're on the main interface, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the microphone icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various monitoring options. From this menu, select Enable Silent Monitoring. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to see your input levels in real time without actually recording, which means you can fine-tune your settings before committing to a take. Now that silent monitoring is enabled, it's time to test your audio levels. Speak at your normal recording volume and make sure to include your loudest parts. This is important because you want to capture the full dynamic range of your voice or audio source. As you speak, you'll notice the microphone meter responding to your input, showing you exactly how loud you're coming through. While monitoring your levels, your goal is to adjust the microphone or input volume until your peaks are around -12 to -6 dB. This range is considered the sweet spot for recording because it gives you plenty of headroom to avoid clipping or distortion while still capturing a strong, clear signal. To make this adjustment, locate the small circle icon on the microphone meter. Simply hold and drag this icon until it sits between -12 and -6 dB. As you drag, you'll see a green progress bar appear in the microphone meter, giving you visual feedback on your current input level. Alternatively, if you prefer more precise control, you can double-click the small circle icon. This will open a recording level window where you have even more flexibility. In this window, you'll see a slider that allows you to fine-tune your input volume. If you adjust the slider to the right, it will increase the volume, and moving it to the left will decrease it. Adjust it based on your preferences and what you're seeing on the meter, then click OK to apply your changes. Once you're satisfied with your volume levels and everything looks good on the meter, it's time to disable the monitoring feature. Click the microphone icon at the top once again, and this time select Disable Silent Monitoring. And that's it. You've now configured your input levels properly for clean, professional-sounding recordings in Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.